Hello, my name is Bill Shaner, and I'm the president of the Advanced Materials Handling Division at Entegris. We're really excited to be collaborating with the School District 11 to actually bring students into our factory and show them the type of advanced manufacturing that we do. We see a real gap in the talented workforce that we need to fill those jobs, and a real opportunity for the School District 11 to come in and help fill that need. A real virtuous cycle would be not only having talent that comes from Colorado Springs or the School District 11, but they're also the best trained talent, and they're actually just the right technical fit for what we want to do. It gives Entegris a good, I think, employment base, and allows us to run our business effectively and still be a contributor to the community. You don't have to be a university graduate. If you're a high school graduate and you have a lot of desire to work hard and be successful, companies like Entegris have many different career pathways for you. Why can't you do something like that?